This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make juicy taco meat. First, select a good quality ground beef, ideally with an 85 to 15 fat ratio for the best flavor and moisture. This foundation is crucial for achieving that rich, savory taste. Next, gather your essential spices like chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder to build a robust flavor profile. Finally, prepare a small amount of liquid, such as beef broth or water, to add during the cooking process, ensuring your meat stays incredibly moist and tender. Once your ingredients are ready, begin by browning your ground meat in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Break it apart as it cooks to ensure even browning and a fine texture. After the meat is fully cooked and nicely browned, drain any excess fat from the pan. This step prevents your tacos from being greasy. Now, stir in your spice blend, allowing it to toast for about 1 minute to release its aromatic flavors. Then, pour in your chosen liquid and bring it to a gentle simmer. To truly elevate the flavor and texture of your taco meat, consider a few extra steps. Stir in about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. It adds a subtle sweetness and depth that complements the spices beautifully. For a bright, zesty kick, a small splash of apple cider vinegar, perhaps 1 teaspoon, can make a big difference. Let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the liquid to reduce slightly. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. Your juicy taco meat is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot in tortillas or taco shells with your favorite toppings like cheese, lettuce, salsa, and sour cream. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. It reheats wonderfully for quick meals. And speaking of making life easier, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's perfect for keeping your kitchen clean after taco night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.